demean, denied opportunity. The signs read, "Irish need not apply." The cartoons depicted them as less than human. So in their turn, also were Irish, were Africans, Chinese, Japanese, Italians, Jews, Catholics, and others. And yet, tremendous contributions have been made to and for our country by members of every one of those groups. The earliest of them got their hands on the bottom rung of the ladder of success in America, and they pulled themselves up. And their children and their grandchildren stood on their shoulders and climbed even higher. In many cases, the very pinnacles of success. Every rational American knows that we cannot return to the days of open immigration. There must be realistic limits on how many can enter and who they are. But we must work together to develop policies that focus on how we can live up to our principles as a just, open, and welcoming society. How we can focus on who we want to enter, not just who we want to keep out or throw out. And how we can continue to replenish our society with new people to their benefit and to the benefit of our country. From the very beginning, our country has been enriched by new people, new ideas, new vision, new energy. As a nation, as a people, we have made many mistakes, and we have been through many tough times. But we have emerged from every crisis a better, a stronger, a more free, and a more diverse America. Six of the 7 American recipients of last year's Nobel Peace Prize were immigrants. 3 of the most valuable and successful business enterprises in the world are Apple, Amazon, and Google. Apple was created by Steve Jobs, whose father was born in Syria. Amazon was created by Jeff Bezos, whose adopted father was born in Cuba. And a co-founder of Google was Sergey Brin, who himself was born in Russia. Genius knows no language, no race, no religion. It can be found wherever human beings exist, but it is more likely to flourish where there is freedom, education, and opportunity for all, where innovation is encouraged and success is applauded and celebrated, and a place like America is where that is. Our economy is by far the largest and the strongest in the world. Our military strength is without equal. 9 of the 10 most valuable business brands in the world are American, as are 15 of the world's top 20 universities. 91% of all online searches in the world are done through American companies, and 99% of smartphones work on American-made operating systems. A major contributor to our success is that the strength of America lies ultimately in our ideals. Military power and economic strength are important, even necessary, but in the United States, they have been infused with the ideals that are the basis and the promise of American life.